For my grandma, so I came home and she was shivering, so I said let me get some drugs for her.
God damn, baby, is your grandma sick?
Yeah, she's a kind of.
Oh!
You know old men now.
But I guess it's a minor sickness, man.
I pray so.
Yeah.
Barrister,
yeah.
how is the case going?
In fact, everything went well.
Wow.
Yeah, so right now, I am just arriving from ABJ right now.
Wow.
Yeah, I went, do you know how much I spent in settling all the judges in the whole federation? I spent dollar, I spent Nigerian naira, just because of you. You know, you promised to marry me if I win the case for you. Now, I have done everything with my power to make sure that the case is yours. Now, the victory is yours. So it's right now, let us go to my house and pop something in the air. Let us celebrate your victory. Did you understand?
Yeah, I understood you. You know, the weather is very hot and I need it. But first, I told you I was going to get drugs for my grandmother.
Yeah.
Then when I come back, I will hop straight.
No. I think there is a pharmacist close to my house, baby.
No.
Let's go straight. I have the champagne. We're gonna pop it. After drinking it, you can just get the drug for your grandma and go home.
She has a nurse that treats her. So she asked me specifically to go there and get the drug. When I'm back, I'll come straight to your house. Then we have fun together. Hope the champagne is very chill.
You know, champagnes are always chill.
Yeah, I know.
You can count on the champagne I bought it specially for you from United States of America.
My God.
And I still have some chicken inside my fridge.
Wow.
So when you get to my house, I'm gonna fry it up. So that you'll be
shut down.
Dragging something and sipping on champagne, baby.
No problem.
You promised to come if you finish buying the drugs.
Sure.
See, I am waiting for you. Let me go to my house and make it more beautiful.
See.
Set everything and wait for you.
You know the weather is very hot, so
Very
if you don't
scorching.
have fuel, just go and fill your gen. So we
God,
have fun.
God damn, baby. I have American solar in my house.
Oh my God.
I don't use gen, baby. I have American solar in my house. So my house will be chilling, baby.
Oh.
So go and get the drug and come straight to my home. Let's celebrate your victory. Let's pop champagne in the air and celebrate because you're already a winner, baby.
Let me run along.
No, we can move very fast,
All right, see you
baby.
later.
God damn, baby. Ihe. Ajalobi. God damn. What a beautiful damn cell. If I'm not Damn. Oh, I'm champagne. I'm wearing. Damn. Oh, you said you're coming, right? Damn.
Amaka and Aggie, where are you guys dressed this morning?
Sorry, this is your question too funny. You see me, Aggie, I dey rush to court. That court they cure BP.
BP?
That court they give me morale. That court, that court they give me joy. Anytime I do that court, I'm gonna do like this, they do like this. Hey,
my dear sister, you see me? I have an appointment, but I cancel all my appointments just to attend this court. What is happening in this court is so sweet and funny. Everything, womb, I stand, I suggest, do this one. It's giving me joy. I cannot afford to miss it. I have not missed this court for once, and I cannot afford to miss it today. I went to that place. So.
Me too, I cannot miss it, but I have no clue that there is court today now. Let me just rush home now
and drop this thing, then I'll have my bail. I will run to the court. Despite the fact that my father has engaged the court activities, saying why would the Igbo allow a common judge to be handling cases in the village? But me, I'm not an elder. That matter no concern me. As they see me like this, so once I get home, I will just take my baits and sneak out of the house like I used to sneak before. He will not find out. Because I don't want this to know I went to the court. Cody, you guys are preparing to go and bait.
The earlier the better. Ha, my dear. So you will not miss anything. Especially one particular music where they give me more. The music they give me joy. Then the music joy. Let me go and bait.
My lord, these girls here insulted me. They murdered and assassinated my personality. My incumbent respect was murdered and discharged at the same time. These little girls insulted me in ordinary village road path, a barrister of law. And according to the book of law, 1985, made it so illegal and so improper for a nobody to insult a lawful personality. My lord, I cannot take it. I cannot take it. A lot has been taken from me. A barrister with hyphen, a barrister with curriculum, a barrister whom his autograph has set so many nations free, so many neighboring communities, internationally, locally, and beyond. I have worked and have served this government diligently. These people cannot just murder my character and go scot-free. They need to be punished thoroughly, tomly, and then painfully.
Objection, my lord. My lord, Barrister Matthias here is talking out of jealousy and propaganda.
Me propaganda paragote papogni mo hage dacham. Me propaganda paragote pamag nime mochare pamag beyond repair. You stupid imbecile. Who is talking out of propaganda? I'm not only talking out of propaganda. I am talking out of Uganda. You know, the Kozage Blalo na Thursday weekend. Just talk again. Talk again. Not tell the town hotel. What is not like brain guy was a shaman with brain. Stupid Nikompo. Objection proceeded, my lord.
My lord, Barrister Matthias here has already punished these girls by locking them up in a cell for some days. My lord, their fundamental human rights has been jeopardized. My lord, for crying out loud, this girl has the right to talk anywhere, any place, anytime. They don't need to be interrupted. My lord, Barrister Matthias is taking it too far. I rest my case.
You will rest in peace. You will not only rest your case, because in this matter, you have no case. You will rather rest in peace for talking back at me in that tone. Who made you judge over this? No, who made you a barrister over this case? Your fellow learned colleague was insulted. Your fellow barrister was assassinated. Your fellow barrister was inconjured beyond my nuptial cord, beyond my fundamental scrotum anemia. I was lifted and barbarically, and all you could say that I am talking out of jealous. If I may ask, who am I jealous in? These things? This nobody? These low-class personalities? Are there any people I am jealous of? Or you? A nincompoop? Legalized bastard?
Enough, Matthias! Enough! Why are you using such words on her? Why? Behave yourself, Matthias! What's wrong with you? My lord, pardon my manners.
What makes him your lord? No, what makes him, does he look like your lord? Do you think he can become a lord to anybody he sees? Yaru lord to us who are human beings. Yaru kwa lord to umunnono. Umunwakere kungwere ntakere. Barbaric personalities.
Shut up, Matthias. What is wrong with you? What do you even think you can do to us? My dad cannot do more than a dead rat. We are just talking all this from you because of my lord. Respect yourself and behave yourself. What nonsense.
You know what? When I watch you talk, the only thing I can see is where is? That's the only thing I can see. Because when it comes to barristeristics, both of you are not even close to it. Somebody like me who traveled abroad and studied barristering, studied a lot of things in the school of law. When I was called into bar, I am not sure both of you are born. And all you could do is to wear a white wig like white winters.
Mfokalalu na boso te makachkumte ono no town ure mini song phone. What's wrong with you, Matthias? Are you insane? Have you lost your senses? Ask him. Widow, what is giving you such mura? Tell me, who do you think you are? Who are you? You feel too big. See, let me tell you, mind how you talk. Mind how you talk to us. We are not kids, we are adults. What's wrong with you here? My lord. Sorry for it.
Another case to be handled another day. For calling yourself adults, it's an insult to human rights. Yeah. Yes. But anyway, my lord, I rest my case. Please proceed with your judgment. I don't have time. I have other cases I have to tackle at home privately. Fast. Proceed, an objection, my lord.
Barrister Matthias, I have warned you severally not to use foul language in this my honorable court. So you must be very careful. Next time I will not tolerate that anymore. Enough. They said it's enough. Now, having listened to all the parties involved, here is my judgment. I have resolved to strike out this case for lack of merit, and therefore it is inconsequential. I don't treat this kind of matter. Now, the accused, you are hereby discharged and acquitted. You heard me. I have the absolute right to discharge them and acquit them on lack of merit.
But objection, my lord. Court! There's nothing to court here, my lord. Dismiss. Seriously, my lord, I am not happy the way you just judged that case. That case was made in my favor. That case was supposed to be on my favor, in my favor, and at my favor. And you just ruled it like that. Come on, my lord, do you know the impetus and the gratitude, the gravity of the offense those girls committed? They brainwashed me. Those girls washed me like clothes. As such a whole barrister of the whole World Federation. A barrister with curriculum. A barrister with hyphen. Only my autograph is enough to sentence them to death if it was in Jamaica where I studied. You just set your free like that. You were supposed to sentence them to hang either 15 years imprisonment, 5 years imprisonment, in fact, or even lifetime imprisonment. You set your free. I am not happy. Huh?
In other words, I can't call you my learned colleague. In other words, you are saying that you are disappointed in my judgment?
Very big disappointment. I am hypothetic, sympathetic, and agnostious disappointed in your judgment, my lord. How can? In fact, you should be lucky. You should be lucky that it was somebody like you that I have so much respect on that judged this case. If you happen to be another person, my lawyer, why are you persecuting me? to work against Gazurike. What nonsense? Huh?
You see, most times I wonder where you are trained.
Huh?
Yes, you heard me. I wonder if you indeed went to law school. Because you will always talk as if you are not trained. But nonetheless, I am surprised with your vituperations. Surprised on your statements. Because you should know as a lawyer, as a barrister at law, what to do when you are not happy with a judgment. There is an apex court that is known as appeal court. That is where whenever one is not satisfied with a judgment, you appeal, you make an appeal. That you didn't do. And you are here exhibiting all manner of nonsense. In fact, you are a fool.
Huh?
You heard me. Now get out. Go home. Idiot.
Wait a minute. My local judge, Muma, a fool. A whole barrister of the whole federation. A barrister with curriculum. A barrister with hyphen. Huh? You called me a fool. I will not blame you. I even blame those who gave you that white hair. What nonsense? What dishonor? What displeasure you have on me?
Barrister, make me come to say, you don't about our payments now. This is 1 month now and 1 week on top of. I never see any sign of payment.
The thing is that the clients you have been bringing in this chamber, you don't have head at all. You have not been seeing any good results of any clients. And have you forgotten that all those people that you do bring, they are what is called pashokolized case, pashokolized being, perpendicular being. They don't have money. None of them have head. We have not seen any reasonable clients in this our chamber. You have not. So what do you expect us to do? No money, no better clients.
So you want to tell me say all the whole clients who are the carry come more than 8 people? Barrister.
The only money we received from your client is 2,500. It's not much. No, we'll give you your percent. 10%. 10% is 250 naira. That's what we'll give you as your salary. Because you earned 250 naira per month. Only one client, which is 2,500. Am I lying? That's the truth. That's the money. Only one client. All the clients you have been bringing.
That's
no.
Manage to 35.
Manage.
Huh?
Manage 2,500.
Huh?
Yes.
Manage. Barrister, for all this time, from morning to night, I go carry tie, put for my neck, tie my neck. Eat, no problem. Early morning by 5 a.m. I don't wake up. Bath, brush, Siam. I use my money, spend my money, my last card. Go buy this thing for market. Leave work while they do. I go carry tie for neck, press my neck. No, they breathe well. Siam, when I say one can big man, they keep problem for road. Oga, I don't want to hear that one. I need my money.
Young man, it's true that you have been bringing us clients, about 8 of them, as you just said. But the problem is that the people you are bringing is quite chocolized clients.
That's it.
It's only one person that managed to bring 2,500. Shut up, let me finish. And we agree on 10%. The 10% is 250 naira. So any more of noise, I will jail you. Respect yourself.
Remember, we don't accept noise.
Barrister, Nothing past this one where you see me say I dey jail myself for money. I go jail myself, tie myself, I don't go fit talk. See, my bad, no work again. See here. Bayawa, mukuna holam. The one don't work, don't hold up. They work again. I don't carry smile, come this work. I don't work again.
Just be ready to face the law.
Yeah.
If you just live here, be ready to face the law.
My ace. Shut up, my bad.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Yeah. I don't work again, ace. No work again. When I can't work, come on.
What's up of...
This is against our law. It's against it.
Hey!
Okay. Should we keep quiet and wait this man?
No.
This boy?
No. This man has
This
to be dead.
urchins.
He has to be
Bastard!
Oh my goodness, he threw... Wait. Oh my God. A barrister like me! A learned woman like me!
Rumba. Mr. Wana rumba. Don't play reggae. Don't play disco. Amakota ya no honey na woro nonsense. Wara bata here.
Matthias.
No rumba.
Matthias. Can't you offer me seats? Matthias. I can't see.
Ezomo, this one you are in my chamber today. I hope all is well.
I received.
You received. Huh?
I received a cut somewhat in my shrine. From what I gather, I find out it's from your chamber. They sued me. I'm here to know why.
Ezomo, please, with due respect. It was never from my chamber. Yes, a woman reported you here that she caught you planting a charm in her farmland. And she brought the case before the court. And the court summoned you. Not me. So please, all you could do for yourself is to come to the court and defend yourself. What you committed is a very big crime. It's a murder crime in disguise.
How dare you? Are you not afraid of the chief priest of this kingdom?
Okay, Ezemobiko, calm down. There's no cause for alarm here. He has not gotten to the extent of rising voices. That you're wearing red and black doesn't make you above the law. Remember, what you are wearing is another country's flag. Your flag under another country. So you calm down. Come to the court and defend yourself.
I can see you want me to come to your court.
It's not my court, oh. It is the court of law. Court. Nobody came to your shrine to lift you up. The woman you planted charm in her farmland did you nothing. You know? But if you don't want to go to court, there's also a way to do it. You bring what it takes. Then I will go and withdraw the case on your behalf. Then the woman allow us there on her before. Oh, Matthias! Ezemo!
Matthias!
Ezemo!
Matthias!
Ezemo!
Matthias!
Ezemo!
If you know what is good for you, go and withdraw that case. Otherwise, I'm going to disgrace him in this land.
Akoko. Nyemari ba mana ya wo. Mwego nye gamashi ya wo. Onyamari ba ma wo ya. Onyamari ba mana ya.
You will come to my shrine and beg me
onye amara ikpe ama ya wo nwanna ma anaghị ikpe onye amara ikpe ama ya onye ligere ọgwụ nwanne m ama anaghị ikpe ọnwụ ị ga-abịa na kọtụ bịa zara ọnụ gị onye amara ikpe
Baby.
How did you locate here? How did you find me?
Are you surprised to see me? Oh, it is obvious that you've been avoiding me. An international lawyer like me, baby. You think you are smart? I've been calling your phone, looking for you everywhere. After the case, where have you been? You don't even care to call me. Where have you been? I'm asking you. I thought you promised to be my wife if I win the case for you. Now the case is won, and I tried everything humanly possible with my international experience to win the case. Now you are nowhere to be found. You don't even care to call my phone. Now you're asking me how did I locate your house? The other time you promised to come to my house.
Gewung neke na planya ngusia akpala kwulu moto chege nenu chege nana onwere bi afrongi okisiame ihe no for real baby is it the way you behave after all I suffered to win the case for you? Do you know how what I passed through? Imali yenga bigawe win we case yo chelo planya win na ya ihe. Don't you know that I travel all the way to ABJ, Federal Capital Territory, to bribe the whole judges in Nigeria, but the whole lawyers? Do you know how much I spent to win that case for you? Don't you know I spent up to 350,000 going around Nigeria meeting all the whole judges? Now the case is won, and you are nowhere to be found. I thought you promised to marry me. Is it not your promise? No, answer me. Stop looking at me like a fool. You promised to marry me, right? No, I'm here now for me to take back your own promise. You promised to get married to me. No, I don't need the marriage anymore. That thing that I've been waiting, that thing that attracted me to you, I'm here today to take it. I pay for that, Anna.
Excuse me, Barry.
Yeah, come on, baby.
Do you realize you're in my house?
Goddamn, baby, I don't care whether I'm in your house or on the road. If I like, let it be inside church. Bush. I pay for that. Also, we are on a bopoma. Medina legata.
Excuse me. Can you please leave my house?
Damn, baby. I should leave your house?
Yes, leave my house.
After winning the case for you, don't you know that the case is discharged and acquitted? Don't you know you are a free body now? You asking me to leave your house? See, I pay for you front and back. Because it's been a long time waiting for this waste, baby. Now it's my turn, baby. No, I'm not going anywhere. If ever I was sleep in your house today, baby, I ain't going anywhere.
Okay now. Yeah. When you're done talking, you get out.
Get that. Where you going? Where do you think you are going? Leave me alone. If you look now, leave me alone. There, front and back. Front and back.
Leave me alone.
Who the hell are you? I am the husband to be. God damn, baby. Baby, kill you there. I don't even care if they like. If you like, become Obama. If you like, be her father. I don't care. I give you what I want to never. Mata lilukwa, give lukwa. Thank you, Mata lilukwa. Hey, gata. Now what? Why is that?
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.
Love you guys.